Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got a small Amazon haul. Now, before we get into this though, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you've all had a great holiday, Christmas and New Year's, and I hope this year brings you a lot of joy and happiness. Okay, so the other day, I got on Amazon because y'all know I do Amazon reviews. So I am on Amazon every day, 100 times a day, because I have to keep going and looking at stuff. All right, so I was on there and I come across a couple things that were like after Christmas sales. So I went ahead and got them because, I mean, oh my God, I could not pass this up. So I got these 12 rolls of washi tape for $3. Now, I did use the Vipon app. Actually, I don't have the app. I just go on the website, the Vipon website, and it's got all kinds of Amazon coupons for everything. I mean, everything. So these were actually on sale for $6, but I had a coupon to where it made them $3. So I got these for $3 for 12 rolls. Now, granted, there's not a ton of tape on each roll, but there's enough to do at least one and a half borders of a 30x7 or a 30x30 diamond painting. Or if you want to use these in journaling, I use them to go around the border of my diamond paintings if it's real sticky. And I also use it for like my bigger canvases to do like squares. So I thought this would be, for $3, you can't beat that. Not for 12 rolls. But aren't they pretty? I could turn them around here to where you could actually see them. But I thought they were really pretty. And like I said, you don't get a ton on a row, but that's not bad for $3. You see? I love the purple. Look, and there's some like Easter egg looking ones. I guess you could use these for Easter. It doesn't say any kind of, specialty if these are, like holiday. But anyway, they were on there, and for $3, come on. So the next thing, it was the same thing. I had a coupon, or I went to Vipon, and I looked to see if there was any diamond paintings, crafting stuff, if anything had a coupon, and I found these. And this is, well, they're Christmas, but I don't care. I'll do Christmas in July. I don't care. So they are, comes with comes with a regular toolkit, green boat, double pink wax, and a single placer pink pen. Here's the drills, which we will look at. But they're magnets. They're refrigerator magnets. They're Christmas refrigerator magnets. I do not have any of these, and I thought they were cute. So here's the magnets, and they're pretty good. I mean, they're good enough to put on the back of these and put on a refrigerator. But you'll just peel this off, and it'll be sticky underneath. And you're just going to put the magnet on the back like that, and it just sticks on the back, or on your refrigerator. So, like I said, these are Christmas, but I do not care. They are wooden, and you can see that they're plain on the back, but you do diamond paint the front. These were only $3. So we have reindeer, candle, stocking. We have the little red truck with the Christmas tree and presents in the back. We have another stocking. snowman, gingerbread man, have another snowman, candy cane, bells, another gingerbread man, Christmas tree, double candy canes. We have another bell. Let's see, is this one? No, they're not the same. We have another Christmas tree. We have Santa. We have an elf with a gift. We have a gingerbread house. Another Santa. Present. A wreath. And an ornament. So how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22 magnets, Christmas magnets. All right, so let's look at the drills. But y'all, I could not pass that up. I couldn't. So here's the drills. We're just going to look at them. All crystals. I don't think there's any special shapes. I think they're just all different size and color crystals. Love that blue. And I'll leave a link in my description box for all of this. And, you know, you can go, if they still have all this in stock on Amazon, you go check them out. I'll do that afterwards. But yeah, so let's see. These are just called Christmas Diamond Painting Cards, Car Mailbox Decor. They were refrigerator magnets, like I said. I'll leave a link to them in my description box. And if you have not checked out the Vipon, there is an app that you can download onto your phone if you want to. I don't like a bunch of apps on my phone, so I just go to the website. Just go to vipon.com, and you can look at all the different coupons they have for electronics, clothes, crafts, diamond paintings. There's a search bar. You just put in, if you're looking for something, you know, Pacific, you know, you just put that in there. You just, you know, type it in and it'll pop up if there's something in there. Or there are featured deals. There are today's deals. It's a cool website. And like I said, it's all Amazon coupons. So, all right. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give me a like if you did. That lets me know that you do like this kind of content. Plus, it helps my channel get out there for everybody to see. Also, leave me a comment because I do enjoy reading them. I always comment back. And if you have any questions about the Vipon, just ask me. I don't care. And then I'll also leave my Scarlet's True Review YouTube channel link in my description box, along with my Instagram and email. So, all right. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you have a great year. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.